Hi everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Denise and I have this channel on YouTube, which is Sewlimitless. I also write a blog at sewlimitless.com, and I'm on Instagram a lot also as Sewlimitless. So welcome if you're new, and if you are returning, then hi there, nice to see you again. So in today's video I'm going to go through the things that I made in the month of November, just to give an overview of the things that I made and show you, talk a little bit about what I did. And so let's get to it. So the first thing that I did for the month of November was I made this Colette patterns, this dress here. I have another video where I talk about all the changes I had to make in order to get this to work out. But I made these two, and they're detailed in the other video. But this is a pattern for knit dresses, and I really love it. It has become one of my favorite things to make, and actually one of my favorite things to wear, because the knit dress is really comfortable. It's cool to cold out here now, so I wear it with tights. I can wear it with boots. It's just a really very comfortable dress to wear. So that was the first thing I did. The next thing that I made is this. It's called the Ruche Tee from Angela Wolf Patterns. This is the one that I made. I've made this many times before. I actually got this fabric from her site, and it's a super soft knit. And the thing I really like about the pattern is that there's so many different ways, variations that you can use to make this pattern, that it's just really easy, and it's become one of my go-to knit t-shirt patterns. So the next thing I made for the month of November was this Simplicity 9267. I'm sure some of you have seen this pattern from other YouTubers and bloggers. I made this one here. I made version or view B, which is the middle. This one here, I think this is like a polyester blend. It does have some stretch to it. It's a fabric I had in my stash, so I don't know exactly what it is, but it is super comfortable to wear. It's got a couple of pleats on the back. It is easy to make, and my biggest challenge was finding buttons that I liked that I could put on the skirt. I actually did have to order buttons online, but this is a really nice pattern. And it's a good basic. It's what I call, it's sort of an A-line, but it's a sort of a what I call a softer A-line skirt. So it's not just the strict where it's straight out at the sides, but it's a little softer. It's a little more flow. I think it's because of you've got pleats in the front and pleats in the back. That is a pattern I definitely recommend, and something that I would say to keep in mind if you're looking to make those basics. So that's a good pattern to have there. Now, the last thing that I did is what is called the Lexington night dress. And this one is from Sewing in the City Patterns. And this is the one I made here. It comes with the PJs, long PJs and a long sleeve top, or you have the short PJ set with a short sleeve top, and then the night dress, which has the either long sleeve or short sleeve with it. You get all of that in this pattern. And so, of course, you can always mix and match things, because why not? So this one is the one I made. And for this, I used fabric that I was given from Minerva Fabrics. I'm one of their Minerva brand ambassadors, Minerva makers. And so I used that pattern with this fabric, and the fabric is called Philosopher's Dreams. So it's got different sayings and writings on it from different philosophers, I guess. But it's a nice cotton fabric. It's lightweight, and I made obviously the long sleeve, and it comes to about the knee. I think the pattern is pretty easy to make. It's versatile, which I always like, and it's a very comfortable thing to wear also. I think with a soft cotton like this, sort of a lightweight cotton, makes it really comfortable. And when you wash it, the cotton gets a little softer. So, you know, I always wash my fabric before I make anything anyway, regardless whether it's knit or woven fabrics, I don't care. That always softens up the fabric, and it just makes it really nice and comfortable. And yeah, it's a nice little night shirt that you can use as loungewear. So it's very comfortable. So those were the things that I made for the month of November. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, and also please at least consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help to push my content out to other makers and people that might be interested in this type of thing. So please leave me a comment if you like. Let me know what you think about the patterns, or if you've used any of these, if you're familiar with them, and let me know what you all are up to. But yeah, I appreciate you all for watching, and also you can hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss when I upload a new video. But that is it for this one. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.